Julianne Moore is an American actress celebrated for her emotional depth, versatility, and compelling performances across film, television, and stage. Born Julianne Smith on December 3, 1960, at Fort Bragg, North Carolina, she later adopted the stage name Julianne Moore to distinguish herself in the Screen Actors Guild, combining her first and middle names with her father's middle name. Moore studied theater at Boston University and began her acting career in the 1980s with roles in television soap operas like As the World Turns, for which she won a Daytime Emmy Award. Her transition to film in the early 1990s marked the beginning of a critically acclaimed career that would span over 3 decades and include an extraordinary range of characters in both mainstream blockbusters and independent cinema. Moore's breakout role came in Robert Altman's Shortcuts, 1993, where her fearless, emotionally raw performance drew significant attention. She gained further recognition in films like Boogie Nights, 1997, The End of the Affair, 1999, and Magnolia, 1999. Known for her ability to portray vulnerability and inner turmoil, she often played complex women navigating personal crises, societal expectations, or emotional loss. In 2002, she earned widespread acclaim for her dual Oscar nominations, Best Actress for Far From Heaven and Best Supporting Actress for The Hours. Her portrayal of a 1950s housewife grappling with racism and marital issues in Far From Heaven is considered one of her finest performances. Moore finally won the Academy Award for Best Actress in 2015 for her role in Still Alice, where she played a linguistics professor diagnosed with early-onset Alzheimer's disease. Her sensitive, heartbreaking performance was lauded for its authenticity and emotional nuance, earning her multiple awards, including a Golden Globe and BAFTA. Beyond awards, Moore has appeared in commercially successful films such as The Lost World, Jurassic Park, 1997, The Hunger Games series, 2014 to 2015, and Kingsman: The Golden Circle, 2017. Yet, she has never strayed far from her indie roots, continuing to collaborate with visionary directors on thought-provoking projects. In addition to her film work, Moore is also a successful author of children's books and an outspoken advocate for gun safety, LGBTQ+ rights, and women's issues. She has worked with organizations like Everytown for Gun Safety and frequently uses her platform to raise awareness about social justice and equality. Julianne Moore's enduring appeal lies in her commitment to authenticity, her fearless choice of roles, and her ability to bring intelligence and emotional honesty to every character she plays. With a career marked by both critical acclaim and mainstream success, Moore continues to be one of the most respected and admired actresses of her generation.